Title: The Rhythm of Nature, Sustainability for the Climate. Welcome to the Rhythm of Nature, Sustainability for the Climate. Imagine a world bursting with colors and sounds. A world where nature invites children to play, explore, and learn. In this journey, we discover the magic of nature through planting seeds, feeling the rain, and creating art inspired by the environment. Nature is all around us. It is vibrant, alive, and waiting to be explored. Children are natural adventurers, curious and eager to discover every detail. Together, we guide them to understand, love, and protect the world they live in. Our journey begins with the soil. Children gently dig into the earth, place seeds with care, and cover them with hope. Each tiny seed holds the promise of life, growth, and a greener future. Then comes the water, the rhythm of rain. Raindrops fall softly, bringing life to plants and joy to children. They laugh, they play, and they feel the natural rhythm that connects all living things. Next, we learn about responsibility through recycling. Children sort paper, plastic, and glass, discovering how small actions can protect our planet. They begin to understand that sustainability starts with simple choices. Creativity blossoms through nature art. Leaves, stones, and flowers turn into beautiful creations. Each piece reflects imagination, connection, and love for nature. We also care for living beings. Children build bird feeders and observe birds in their natural habitat. They learn that every creature plays a role in maintaining balance in our ecosystem. The wind joins our journey. It moves the trees, spins pinwheels, and reminds us of the invisible forces of nature. Children feel its energy and freedom as they run and play. Step by step, they become more aware, turning off taps, saving energy, and protecting resources. They grow not only as learners, but as responsible individuals. Our journey continues through collaboration. Children connect, share, and create together, becoming part of a global story. Their voices unite in harmony, like a rhythm inspired by nature. And finally, we celebrate. A joyful nature festival brings everyone together: children, families, and communities. Surrounded by green, laughter, and creativity, they share what they have learned and created. This is more than a project. It is a journey of discovery, awareness, and hope. The rhythm of nature teaches us that every small step matters. Together, we can protect our planet and build a sustainable future. The rhythm of nature, sustainability for the climate. Together, we can make a difference.